back to Miss Anita's phonics class. This is lesson 9 and let's get into it. Alright, today we are thinking about a new sound and I have some pictures here to help us figure out that sound. I am going to place the pictures here. If you know them, say the picture name out loud. Ready? Let's go. I wonder what that is. How about this? If you know it, please name it. And this is the last picture. What do we have here? You're right. We have goose, goat, gorilla. All these words begin with the same sound. Are you able to hear that sound at the start of each word? Let's work it out together. Goose, goat, gorilla. Which sound do you hear at the start of each word? Of course, you're right. All these words begin with G sound. G sound is written like this. Letter G makes the sound G. So, today we are thinking about G sound. We are going to practice saying G sound. My turn and your turn, okay? My turn, G. Your turn. My turn, G. Your turn. Excellent, well done. Now, I would like you to say G sound to the person next to you. I'm going to speak to my learning buddy. Let's go. G, G, G. Good job. Excellent. Now that we can hear G sound in spoken words, can we think of words that have G sound in them? Pause the video and have a think. I've thought of some words as well. I'm going to sound out those words and you're going to blend them together so that we can figure out the words. Ready? Okay. Grass. Grass. Excellent. Good blending. Next is glue. Glue. I hear G at the beginning. And the last one is grapes. Grapes. Excellent. I can still hear G at the beginning of the word grapes. Well done. All right. Actions can help us to remember our letter sounds. For this sound, we are going to pretend that this is water and it's going down the drain of the sink as it makes the sound G, 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 G. Let's do this together. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Well done. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder. You are working really hard, boys and girls. Well done. You can hear G sound in spoken words. You can recognize G sound when it's written down. Now it's time to practice writing G sound. First, we are going to practice with glitter, but feel free to use whatever you have at home. You can use sugar, salt, sand, paint, anything that is available. Now pause the video to go and get yourself something. Alright. Okay, I'll go first and then you'll have your turn. For G sound, we go round, back to the top, go down and curve. G. Have your turn. Okay, one more time. We go round, back to the top, go down and a curve. G. Your turn. Okay, last one. We go round, come back to the top, Go down and a curve. G. Excellent. Well done. Now get your whiteboard and a marker so that we can write G sound. Okay. I'll go first and then you'll have your turn after me. Okay. We go round, back to the top, go down and a curve. G. Your turn. Alright. We go round, back to the top, go down and a curve. G. Now I would like you to write G 3 times on your whiteboard as you say it. Let's go. G. 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 Excellent. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked really hard on G sound today. Remember, there are lots of phonics lessons on this channel. Please check them out to catch up and also subscribe so that you get to know whenever a new lesson is uploaded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!